Hello, so my name is Kroupa. I'm from Czech Republic and I'm technologist in a company named Mega. Our company is focusing on electrodialysis. Electrodialysis is a membrane separation process which you can use for demineralization of any type of products like whey, wine, sugar, starches, and etc. So in a case when you have a high mineral profile and you have to decrease the concentration of the salt inside your solution, you can use electrodialysis, which is the basic principle. It works like that the ions migrate through the membranes, and inlet solution stay without any changing. So I mean without any changing of structure, but the minerals go away. So as you can see, we can demineralize sugar and starches. Furthermore, we focus on beverage industry. Another application is in advanced milk application for demineralization of whey, produce many type of lactic acid or some other process from dairy industry. So mainly, if you have some questions, just ask me, because I don't know what exactly tell more. Thank you.